Good hello students. It's Tuesday night. Gonna upload some content here for you for your first assignment in chapter 12. I'm gonna first of all go over problems 19 and 20, and the point they're trying to make is what property qualifies. Well, just about any real property that's used in a trade or business or this production of income can be traded for any other property, this trade or business or production of income. So if I had a hotel that is my trade or business and I wanted to exchange it for an apartment building, that would qualify. Okay, so 19 and 20 are basically getting at this idea of which types of property qualify for like-kind exchange treatment. Okay, problem 29 deals with involuntary conversions. When we're talking about involuntary conversions, we're going to use the same general calculation method. We're just going to finesse it just a little bit, do something slightly different, but it's in general going to be just like we do with a like-kind exchange. Okay, so 19. Land traded for an airplane. That's not going to qualify because land is real property and airplane is personal property, and therefore it does not qualify. A warehouse used in a trade or business exchange for land to be used as a personal residence. Again, that'd be trade or business property in exchange for personal use property, does not qualify. Land in Greece held for investment for a hotel in Rome, that does not qualify because land outside the United States does not qualify for like-kind treatment. And a business computer, for a business computer, again, that would be personal property, but those are going to be of the same general asset class. And so, yes, those would qualify. Horace trades his personal use automobile for another personal use automobile. That's not one of the qualifying exchanges. Lim trades an office building he rents out for an office building to be used in her business. That would qualify. That would be production of income property for trade or business property, and that would qualify. An Ace company trades a used pile driving hammer for a rock crusher. That's not going to qualify because those are not of the same general asset class. Okay, problem 23. Jose owns a warehouse in Mexico City with a base of $430,000 and a fair market value of $700,000. $270,000 realized gain. Lucerne owns a warehouse in Boulder, Colorado with a base of $200,000, a fair market value of $700,000. They agree to exchange these two warehouses. The problem is, as we talked about earlier, exchange involving property outside the United States does not qualify, and therefore Jose is going to have to recognize a $270,000 gain, and Lucerne's going to have to recognize a $500,000 gain. I think that takes care of it. 23A does not qualify. Lucerne's recognized gain is the $500,000, and Lucerne's basis in the Mexico City warehouse is going to be fair market value because they recognized all the gain. All right, 29. 29, machine with an adjusted base of 125, fair market value of 225, but the insurance company only gives them 100,000. So, in fact, there's a loss of $25,000. And in like-kind exchanges, losses are not recognized. But in like-kind exchanges, neither losses nor gains are recognized. In involuntary conversions, Losses can be deferred. I can elect to defer, or I can structure the transaction so as to defer all the gain, but I get to recognize all my losses on an involuntary conversion. So here I have a $25,000 loss. I'm going to be able to recognize all that. In addition to that, I buy secondhand stuffers for $175, and that's going to be then the new basis now in my new stuffers. So now what I want you to do now for Wednesday is I want you to do problem 25. Problem 25 is very similar to the last problem we did when I did the introduction to like-kind exchanges. The last example I gave you, and I think what you're going to find when you do 25 is that both Oscar and Harriet have to recognize a gain. Okay, so look at the last example I gave you and solve problem 25. And then look at 29 and and assume now that the insurance company gives them the fair market value, the $225,000. And how does that change your answer now on problem 29? All right, with that, and then go on to the second assignment in chapter 12 for Wednesday for me. And with that, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.